Namaste and a very good morning, dear students. This is Yojana ma'am once again with your maths class. Children, we are doing fraction these days, and I hope that you are clear with the concept so far. Today, we are going to learn how to read the fractions and how to shade the given fractions. Okay, so let us start our class and learn it. Let us start today's class of fractions. Children, today we are going to know how to read the fractions. When some figure or some shape is given to us, then we have to read the shaded part. See, this is a figure which has one part shaded, and here we have total 3 parts and only one part is shaded. So how can we read this fraction? That one part out of total 3 parts are shaded. So now if we want to read the fraction of the shaded part, then we have total parts 3 and shaded portion is 1. So it can be read as 1/3. And if we want to read the fraction for the unshaded part, then it will become 2/3. We can understand this by one more example here. This figure has total 4 parts. So if we are talking about the shaded parts are 3 out of 4. So shaded part will become 3/4. And the same way unshaded part is going to be 1/4. Here we have total 5 parts. Shaded parts are 3. So the fraction becomes 3/5. And the same way unshaded part is 2/5. Okay, so now we can see how can we shade the fraction. We have been given some fraction and we have to shade it accordingly. For example, shade 1/2 of the given shape. Now this shape has been given to us and we have to shade 1/2 of the given shape. Now you understand what is 1/2 means? 2 equal parts of a whole. So in this case, any portion out of these 2 parts, any part can be shaded like this, or we can shade it like this also, and we know that each part is 1/2 here. Okay, now next example is shade 1/3. Here we have this figure, 3 parts here. So here also now we have to shade one part out of total 3 parts. So here also any part out of these 3 can be shaded. This or this. Understood? Now we'll move on to shade 2/3. Means 3 parts are there and we have to shade how many? 2. So any 2 parts can be shaded. One more example, shade 3/4 of the, here we have total 4 parts and how many do we have to shade? We have to shade 3 parts. Any 3 parts can be shaded. So children, I hope I am clear with the concept here. I will be sending you one PDF. Do that neatly in your notebook. Okay children, take care. Thank you.